Instead of salsa and chips, creamy bean dip and chips. If you're looking for big red chili flavor, you gotta toast them first. You gotta start with high quality beans if you want a creamy dip, and you always soak them ahead first. Soaked and added to new fresh water, along with the mirepoix and salt. 2 tablespoons of kosher salt for 8 ounces of beans. A couple of bay leaves, and that toasted chili is gonna hit your ride, along with some garlic. After those beans are cooked and cooled, they go into my food processor along with that hydrated chili and 8 ounces of cream cheese. I actually prefer the low-fat version for this. This also needs oregano, cumin, coriander, diced jalapeno and cilantro, salt and pepper, and we're gonna need a lime. And let her go. Bean dip.
Look at how light and creamy. Wonderful.
That's addictive.
It's like bean salsa because it's got the chili and the cilantro and the creaminess, and
I think it's better.
those beans are amazing. It's not your average bean dip.
It's refreshing.
And that'd be great on a taco, drizzled over your nachos.
Serve this instead of salsa next time. See what they do.
That's a legume condiment.